Get out, the house is on fire. Well, tell the fire to hold up because I'm doing some important shit.
You used to call me on my...
If you don't like me at my worst, then you don't like me at my best. I don't like you at all. Okay, so explain to me what happened. He punched me in my face. Bitch, no I didn't. I tried to whip and she was in my way. Do you have a pencil by any chance? No, but I have a knife. What? And I know how to cut a bitch. Try me. I look so ugly today, like I do not want to go.
What the hell? No, you look really cute.
I know, I just wanted to hear you say it. Do I look like a minion? No, honey, you're perfect. You're beautiful the way you are. I think the bitch do. Larry. Oh my God.